here we go. This is one of my favorite dishes. Arroz con gandules and fried chicken. Look how beautiful this rice looks. So good. Hot. And the chicken, nice and fried in the air fryer. Don't forget the olive oil.
Once you've washed the chicken, pat dry with a paper towel and add your favorite ingredients. Mix well, and to make the chicken nice and crispy, add some olive or cooking oil and mix again. Using an air fryer, place the drumsticks in a single layer. Close the trays and set the temperature to 400 for 40 minutes. Now let's make some rice. Add tocino to the hot oil and stir. Once crispy, add sofrito, add a can of gandules, tomato sauce, garlic, pepper, sazon, and salt. Stir and cover to allow it to boil. Uncover the lid, mix, then add 3 cups of rice along with 2 cups of water. Stir thoroughly and drop the heat to medium. Once the liquid has been absorbed, mound towards the center like a hill and cover for another 20 minutes. 40 minutes has passed, so turn the drumsticks and air fry for another 40 minutes. Uncover the lid and mix the rice one last time. Set it to low until ready to serve. The drumsticks are done. Look how perfect they came out. Now plate your dish and enjoy. Until next time, friends.